So guys, for my video today, I'll be making another banana oat smoothie. So let's get right into it. So I'm using old-fashioned oats this time. So I'm gonna get about 3 or 4 teaspoons of this. I'm just gonna judge it. Trying to be quick. I'm also gonna use some cinnamon powder. So I'm gonna add my own spice. I'm adding cinnamon. For more spice, I'm going to add some seeds. So I'm going to add, these are flax seeds. These are flax seeds I'm going to add. I'm also going to add banana. But for this one, I might just add half of a banana. So add. If you don't like the banana taste, you can always use half of a banana. So guys, I'm going to add about a few teaspoons of sugar just for sweetening. And I'm also going to add my almond milk. So add that almond in ice. I'm going to add a little bit more. Now, for the last touch of my ingredients, secret, I'm going to add some nutmeg.